It was his calmness and skill in handling the situation that brought him back safely. Clearly, this is not a job for the faint-hearted. At tens of meters high, where even a small mistake can lead to danger, but with skillful manipulation and ability to control, it seems that all actions are carried out safely. In the midst of a modern urban space, Europe Forestry EC 1290800 horsepower still shows its powerful strength. Each large tree trunk is rolled up and crushed neatly, with precision down to every detail. The machine operates smoothly, has good control, and keeps the construction environment clean and safe. This is proof that forestry technology can adapt and operate effectively even in the heart of a crowded urban area. Dopstat DW3060 is not just a grinder, but also a statement of German engineering prowess. Under the rotating steel cutting blade, each stubborn piece of wood is crushed to fine sawdust in an instant. Speed, torque, and stability combine to create a steel whirlwind, decisive, efficient, and uncompromising. The roots of the poplar tree are facing the steel power of the high-powered crushing machine. The engine roars. Each piece of wood is mercilessly torn apart. Beneath the rough exterior lies an entire journey condensed into just a few minutes. This is not just destruction, but a new beginning. At dozens of meters high, where there are only wind and danger, the worker still performs accurately as if standing on the ground. Each cut is a combination of courage, skill, and a steely spirit honed over years in the treacherous deep forest. In the midst of the dense jungle, the TMK 300 appears with a powerful steel arm. With just a few precise maneuvers, the machine easily trims each trunk as if clearing a path for a green future. No noise, no ostentation, only effectiveness and resilience speak volumes. This is indeed a device that serves humanity, elevating the standards of forestry work. Driving a car on slippery terrain is not an easy task, but with the skill and courage of the driver, the car pulls the logs as if all the obstacles are just a part of the familiar game. At dozens of meters high, where there are only wind and danger, the worker still performs accurately as if standing on the ground. Each cut is a combination of courage, skill, and a steely spirit honed over years in the treacherous deep forest. The Gens BA725 is the epitome of power and performance in the woodworking industry. It processes every tree, from soft wood to hardwood, in just a few revolutions. The flexible grinding system produces even, smooth, and consistent wood chips. It is the optimal choice for those who need speed, durability, and outstanding efficiency on every log. The worker does not control the machine, but is coordinating with it. Every action is performed gently and with great accuracy, as if it has been intuitively programmed and learned through experience. This is the embodiment of the beauty of silent labor, where craftsmanship and machine power together create sustainable value. In the deep forest, the JP23 machine operates like a skilled expert. All actions, from cutting down to segmenting, are neat, quick, and perfectly precise. There are no unnecessary movements. Everything is carefully calculated, demonstrating the power and perfect control of modern technology. This is the journey of crafting traditional apple boxes, where raw wood begins a meticulous transformation process. Each piece of wood is sawed longitudinally, carefully selected, and then shaped precisely. Every cut is a combination of experience and tactile perception. The wood is not only shaped, but also infused with dedication and the depth of an ancient craft. On the snow-covered road, the cow not only pulls wood, but also quietly carries the tradition of labor spanning centuries. Unlike modern machinery, its strength lies in stability, resilience, and excellent adaptability to the environment. This is the first situation in my life that I have ever seen. Just a few hand spans away from the house, yet maintaining perfect control. No collisions occurred. A remarkable calmness and skill. The Zuber machine not only cuts wood, but also sets a new standard for work efficiency. Not a single deviation, not a single misalignment. This wood-cutting machine achieves absolute precision, as if it were pre-programmed. This machine is a testament to the remarkable working capabilities of modern technology. The ML Lindner Uraco 95 DK is a machine designed to tackle the most complex challenges in forestry. Tangled roots and messy small branches are neatly crushed in every turn. The powerful cutting system combined with a durable engine ensures stable operation in all conditions. This is the best machine for cleanup after each logging operation. Trip. It is a job that requires skill, determination, and experience, because sometimes even the best cannot foresee all unexpected situations. Unlike the EC1290800HP, in addition to its ability to crush wood, the NHS450F can also erase all traces thanks to an integrated cleaning mechanism. Everywhere the machine passes is as clean as if there had never been any signs of trees. This is a major advancement in wood processing technology, stronger, faster, and cleaner than ever before. With just a small chainsaw in hand, the worker is gradually cutting down a giant tree. This is the clearest statement about the worker's skill, courage, and perseverance. The Lumberjack 450 is not just a tree cutter, it is a real breakthrough in modern forestry technology. With its powerful clamping force and high cutting precision, it delivers impressive performance even on the hardest and most difficult timbers. It is the ideal choice for professional operators who need high performance and outstanding durability. It is the machine for professional operators who need high performance and outstanding durability. The tree fell slowly and heavily, as if saying goodbye to itself. Driving a trailer uphill is always a challenge, where skill, experience, and perfect braking system are required. Because on slopes like this, even a small mistake can cause danger to the driver, and then the unexpected happens. The imbalance caused the car to tip over in an instant. Just a slight deviation in the center of gravity was enough to turn the entire mass into an unpredictable danger. The Moorbark 1300 doesn't just grind wood, it turns the hard work into a controlled series of movements. Small logs are quickly processed by the machine. Each rotation is a pulse of technology and hard work, a machine that brings reliability to those who are attached to forests and wood.